Yes, now students. So in the blank, one more blank is left. See that blank. The numbers which are being added are called. So the numbers which are going to add, that numbers are called what? That are called addends. The numbers which are going to add, so in addition, they are called addends. But the answer is called sum. The answer, whatever answer we are getting, that is called sum. So what numbers we are going to add, that all the numbers are called addends. Okay. So this last bit we left. So this is our H bit last. Next. Now we are going to do word problems. See here. In the word problem, first we have to read the word problem first, and second we have to understand the problem first. Third, so we should know what to do, either addition, multiplication, subtraction or division. So we have to decide what we have to do. Then after that we start the steps. We should write the steps, then calculation, then simplification, then answer. These steps are there in word problem. First, read the question. A man gives rupees 55,675 as a charity every month. Every month he is going to give 55,675 every month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, October, November, December. All these months, every month. So he is going to give 55,675 rupees. Then what happened? On the occasion of Diwali occasion, what he did? 25,900 more as charity he gave. As a charity he gave. So in that month, in that particular month, so how much charity he gave on Diwali month? Okay, Diwali month, how much charity he gave? So more he gave. So more means we have to add. So steps. Charity amount every month. Every month charity amount. How much? 55,675. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Then more charity. Gave on the occasion of Diwali. How much he gave? 25,900 more charity he gave. 25,900 more charity he gave. Then, so we have to add total how much? 5 plus 0 is 5. Any number, 0 is added to any number, so the number is same, that is 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 500s, 1,000. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 1,000 and 10,000. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Therefore, total charity given in the month of how much charity he gave? Rupees 81,575. Total charity this much he gave in the month of Diwali. Next. Second question. Vanita spent rupees 4,598 on food and 95,354 on clothes. Then how much money she spent in all? How much money she spent in all? So first, amount spent on food. Amount, solution. Amount spent on food. How much? 4,598 rupees. Then amount spent on clothes. Amount spent on clothes. So how much? 95. Here it starts from 95,354. So here we have 5 digits. So before it was 4 digits only. So we start from 10,000. Then add it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 10,000. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 2 ones and 1 tens. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 means 5 tens, 100. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a single digit number, no need to repeat it. 4 plus 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And 9. 99,952. So total amount she spent on all. How much? Rupees 99,952. This much amount she spent. So in this more one question is left. So that question here home assignment. Now students, so in our topic next we are going to discuss about subtraction. So then how to subtract? So what is minuend, what is subtrahend and what is the difference? These three things are there. In addition, what are the three things? Addends and the sum. So whatever we are going to add the numbers, they are called addends. Either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers are there? The total, all the numbers are called addends. And the answer is called sum. So this is there in addition. In subtraction, minuend is there, then subtrahend is there, and the last one answer is the difference. Minuend, the bigger numbers, from the number from which number we are going to subtract, that number is called minuend. Subtrahend means from which number we are going to subtract, that number is called sum. That number is called subtrahend. And the difference means whatever the answer we are going to get, that is called difference. These three things are there. Okay. In the difference, three things are there. First here, first, second, and this is the answer. This is the first, second, and answer. So this is called, the first one is called minuend. The second one is called subtrahend. The answer is called difference. Minuend is always bigger than these two. What these two? This is our subtrahend and this is our difference. Minuend is always bigger than subtrahend as well as difference. These things you have to keep in your brain. Okay. So what is minuend and what is subtrahend and what is difference? And the property also you should remember. Minuend, this minuend, first value, first number is always bigger than subtrahend as well as difference, means answer. Now, so we are going to subtract. Then how to subtract? So 9 and 8. If you check 9 and 8, this is minuend. Minuend is bigger than this subtrahend. Minuend is bigger than subtrahend. No need to take borrow and all. So no need to regroup it. So just minus it. Right? Here minuend is bigger than this subtrahend. That means 9 is bigger than 8. 9 minus 8. So then what is the difference? How to calculate? 9 and 8, they are serial numbers. So whenever the consecutive numbers are there, the difference is 1. Whenever consecutive numbers are there, the difference is 1. 7 minus 4. Then how to make minus? 7 minus 4. 4. Here 4 is there, no? So this is the greater. Minuend is greater. So no need to take borrow and all. So then from 5 to 7 we have to count. 5, 6, 7. How much? 3. That 3 you have to write here. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now, here 6 and 7. 6 is a minute and 7 is a substituent. Here minute is smaller than this substituent. Whenever the smaller, we have to take borrow. 1 plus if minute is smaller. If minute is smaller, we have to take borrow. Here 6. 6 is there. 6 means 6 hundreds we have. 6 is in hundreds place. This is 600. You have to take 1000 from here. 1000 we are taking borrow. In 1000, how many hundreds are there in 1000? In 1000, 10 hundreds are there. 10 hundreds make 1000. So we have to regroup it. Here 1000, 3000s were there. So we are taking 1000 here. 2000s left. How many thousands left? 2000s left. And 1000 will come this side. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds. 10 already here 6 hundreds. 10 plus 6, how many hundreds? 16 hundreds. It will get 16 hundreds. Actually here how many thousands are there? 3000s are there. In this 3000 we are taking 1000 borrow. 1000 borrow. In 1000 10 hundreds are there. 10 hundreds plus already 600s are there. 10 plus 6, 16 hundreds. We will get 16 hundreds. Here if you are getting 1000 as a borrow, then 2000 left. Now 16 is greater than 7. 16 is greater than 7. Now we can minus. How to minus? Here 7 is there. From 8 to 16 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total how many? 9. Here 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. Here 2 and 1. 2 and 1. 2 is a minute and 1 is a substituent. 2 minute is bigger, no need to take borrow. 2 minus 1. These are the consecutive numbers. Whenever consecutive numbers are there, the difference is 1. When serial numbers are there, then difference is 1. Then 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 8 is a minute. Minute is bigger than this substituent. Then make minus. Then 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the difference? 4. 41,931. Here, this is the subtraction. This is the subtraction. Then check. This in this we have to check. In this we have to check. How to check? So we should add the difference and substituent. If you are going to add difference and substituent, we should get this part minute. Then our answer is correct. Then you take the difference. What is the difference? 41,931. Then what is the substituent? 41,748. Now add these two. After adding these two, so what we should get? We should get minute. If you will get minute, then your answer is correct. Now you add 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. If you are going to add plus 1 to any number, then we get the successor of that number. So this is addition. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Then 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what we will get? 16. 16 how we will take? 16 is 6 hundreds, 1000. 1600 is equal to 6 tens and 1000. 6 tens, 1000 makes 1600. So then, hundreds in hundreds place, 1000 in thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 4, that is 8. 83,679. 83,679. We will get the same answer. So like this we will get. Okay. So this is the subtraction. This is how to check our answer is correct or not. So how to check? We have to take the difference and subtrahend. Add difference and subtrahend. So we should get minute. If minute, so we will not get minute means our answer is wrong. If minute is there means answer in the answer we will get minute means your answer is correct. Now the next question here. Second B. So 9,68,000. 3,51,515. So how to add? So here 0. 0 minus 4. This minus is less. We should take power from here. Here is also 0 is there. And here also 0 is there. So from here we take, so borrow from here. 8. How many thousands are there? 8,000. In this 8,000s, I want to take 1,000. So out of 8,000, if I take 1,000, I will get 7,000. So then that 1,000 I want to take here. 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds makes 1,000. How many? 10 hundreds. It will get 10 hundreds. How many hundreds will get here? 10 hundreds. In this 10 hundreds, I want to take 100. 9 hundreds left. So I want to take 100 here. In 100, 10 tens are there. How many 10? 10 tens are there. So that 100, if I convert into tens, 10 tens I get. In 10 tens, I want to take 1 10 that side. Here 9 tens left. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones. Understood? 1 10 means 1 10 rupee note is equal to 1 10 rupee coins. 10 1 rupee coins. Okay? 10 1 rupee coins. Understood? 10 rupees. Rupees 10. So rupees 10. So then if I convert into 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. How many 1 rupees I want to give? 10 1 rupees I want to give. Means 110. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones. Like that 10 ones I get. 10 ones I get. Now 10 minus 1. It's okay. Now this is bigger. This is bigger than this. Means my unit is bigger than the subtrahend. 10 minus 5 is how much? From 6 to 10 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much? 5. That 5 you have to write here. 9 minus 1. 9 is bigger, then you can minus. Here 1 is there. Means 2 to 9 you have to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much? 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 5. 9 is bigger. So from 6 to 9 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9. How much? 4. 7 minus 1 means 2 to 7 we have to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how much? 6. 6 minus 5. 6 is bigger, minus is bigger. Then these two are consecutive numbers. When consecutive numbers means serial numbers will come, then the subtraction minus is 1. 9 minus 3 means 4 to 9 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 6. Total 6. This is the difference. 6,16,485. Now, then, so how to check? First we have to take difference. 6,16,485. Difference, and after that subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? 3,51,550. Now add 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means 0 ones, 1 10. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Means 10 tens means 100. That means 0 in tens, 1 is in hundreds. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10. 10 means 10 hundreds make 1000. 0 here and 1 is in thousands place. Then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9,68,000. 9,68,000. You get 9,68,000. So in this way you have to. Subtract. Okay. Here, so one more question is there in this bit. So C bit that you have to do as your home assignment. First you make minus, means find the difference. Then after that check your result. Okay. Now the properties of subtraction. Subtraction properties. So what are the subtraction properties? First we have to take minute, then after subtrahend. Then subtrahend is always subtracted from minute. Okay. Now here the minute value is given this and subtrahend is given this. We have to find the difference. First we have to take minute. 1,25,677. Then what is this? Minute. Minute. Next what we have to take? Subtrahend we have to take. 79,000. We have to start from here, from 10,000, because there is no lakhs. 878. Now we have to find the difference. So then this is subtrahend. Subtrahend. This is subtrahend. Now find the difference. 7 minus 8. No, not possible. You take borrow from here. So 110, 6. 110 means out of 7 tens we are taking 110 borrow. Then 6 tens left. Then 110, if you take 110 already 7 ones are there. Again 10 ones will come. 10 plus 7, 17. It makes 17. 17 minus 8 means 9 to 70 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. Total how much? 9. 6 minus 7. No, it's not possible. Why? This is minute. Minute is less. Again we have to take a borrow from the next place. This is hundreds place. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousand. This is 10,000. This is lakhs. 100 means here 5 out of 6. 100 we are taking. Then 500 left. 100 makes 10 tens. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 means 8 to 16 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 9. Total 9. Again 5 minus 8. No, it's not correct. Again we have to take borrow from here. So here it will get 4. Here you will get 15. Means 1000 we are taking borrow. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Already 500s are there. 10 plus 5, 15 hundreds. Here 1000 we are taking borrow means 1 less. 4000s left here. 15 minus 8 means 9 to 15 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 7. Now 4 and 9. 4 minus 9. It's not possible. Why? Because minute is less. Again take borrow from here. How many 10,000s are there? 2 10,000s. 1 10,000 left. 1 10,000 is equal to 10,000s. 10 thousands make 10,000. Then 10 plus 4, 14. You will get 14. 14 minus 9 means 10 to 14 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Now, 1 is left, take borrow from here, you will get 11 here. So means 1 lakh. 1 lakh is there, that 1 lakh we are taking here. So 10,000s make 1 lakh. So 10 already 10,000 is there, 10,000, 10 plus 1, 11, 10,000 we will get. Then 7 minus 11 means 8 to 11 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. 45,799. What is this? This is the difference. Whatever the question is given, first you have to take minute. If you give subtihand first and minute next, whatever it is, first you take minute first, then subtihand and difference. In the next question he gave subtihand first and minute next. First you arrange in minute and after that you have to write subtihand and find the difference. That is your homework. That third question is your homework. Okay.